Check it out. Look what I just bought. Black and white. It's a 1974 Ford F-100. Same year and model as Vegas right there. Vegas is a Ranger XLT, as you can see on the bed. This one is just a Ranger. Check it out. Pretty dirty right now, but always gotta clean them up as usual. Check out, we got the original hubcaps. It says Ford Motor Company on it. These are actually probably worth quite a bit of money. The only thing that's missing really is that piece of trim right there and that piece of trim right there. It's got the toolbox from Tractor Supply. We got the spare tire in there. It has Line-X or sometimes a bed liner in there. Oh, it's raining. It's sunny and it is raining. That's weird. Okay, well, it's got the bed liner in there, the toolbox there. It's got, yeah, it has a side mirror on this side, but there's not a side mirror on that side, which I'm gonna order tonight. Check it out, guys. What you think? What you think? Got the nice chrome bumper. Oh, that's the only bad thing right there. Check it out. It's got a big bruise. She got her big bruise in the tailgate. The lady said that the name was Big Rhonda. I'm not really sure if I'm a fan of that name. So comment down below what it should be named and what you think of it. We gotta order the F-100 symbol right there. It's got no mirror there, and but other than that, check out her interior. Look at that. Beautiful seat. Automatic. I can actually drive it pretty good. It's got custom or aftermarket steering wheel. Wow, that was very loud. Okay. Shifts into the gears really nice. Blinkers work. Everything usually works. Nice seat belts. Got the headliner. I can't get that open. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try to get it open. Look at that. Check it out. Two speakers there, and check it out. Amplifier, two giant speakers, and another amplifier. This thing has so much bass, and it is loud, like loud. And a Bluetooth radio from Pioneer. It's got radio, it's got AM, FM, yeah, it's got AM, FM, it's got Bluetooth connected to my phone. This thing is a beast. It's got the 302 V8. Pop the hood open. This is the very first truck that I have owned that actually has the AC compressor in it. Seems like the original AC compressor. Check out there the number plate. It's got power steering, power brakes. Just added fluid into the brake reservoir and the radiator. It's got an aftermarket alarm system and some other goodies, like, yeah, it's also got, okay, this is one crazy thing. Power windows and power locks. This window's maybe a little jacked up, but it goes up. I just gotta remove the tint. But she goes down, so beautiful seat. Other than that one rip right there, it's beautiful. Great interior. It looks amazing. So yeah, she's got the 302 V8. Looks like it's got the aftermarket spark plug wires, distributor caps and stuff like that. So some wiring. And she's got some headers on her. Looks like they're long tube headers. Both sides. Maybe, I don't know about, yeah, it looks like they're long tube headers. They were put on a while back. It's got the original jack right there. And on the exhaust, sounds so good because the exhaust is cut right behind the cab. Look at that. The exhaust is cut right behind the cab. Looks like they have some welded on glass packs right there. Still legal, I think. I hope. But yeah, it looks pretty nice on the under Not that bad. Barely any rust. Stay tuned to the channel because we got more videos coming of this one. I'm going to be cleaning it out and stuff, start working on it, getting it nice and washed. So, yep. See y'all next time.